Hello, everybody. This is the new Westinghouse ceiling fan Comet. This is the this is the black design. I did the silver blades. So this is very awesome, incredible. So I'll show the lights. This is the light, very warm and white, like this. Nice. And also, I'll turn the fan on and turn the light off and on. Even though the motor is very nice to humming the sounds. Don't forget like and subscribe and the bell. It's amazing. Just the next one is the medium speed. This is the medium speed now. Now this is high speed. Oh, even though this is very wobbling, Tara. It's amazing. It's a very wobbling because of maybe because of the weight or screws. I don't know what's happening. Even though it's amazing, even though it's a wobble like a jelly, even though. Now to turn off. And there's the lights. It's a nice design. So next there's a reversal switch is right there. So I'm gonna turn into reversal switch. Let me just see. Let me just stop the blades. Okay. Next is time for reversal now. This is the reversal. Even though I can't do medium and high speed for the reversal because there might be issue, like sealing issue and wobbling issue. Yeah. So I just the low speed of the reversal only. Okay, let's turn off. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Please make sure like, subscribe and the bell. And I hope to see you in the next video.